ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਆਫ ਦਾ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਾਈਲ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਬੀਕੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਨਾਲ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮਵਰ ਅਥਾਰਟੀ ਹਨ ਐਕੂਪੰਕਚਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ। ਦੁਨੀਆ ਭਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਹੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੀਟਮੈਂਟਸ ਵੀ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਓਵਰ 22 ਬੁੱਕਸ ਇਹ ਲਿਖ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਹਨ। ਆਓ ਅੱਜ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਦੇ हैं डॉक्टर बीके सिंह ਨਾਲ। वेलकम टू द प्रोग्राम जी।
थैंक यू हरप्रीत सिंह जी, प्लेजर।
सो डॉक्टर साहब, अपने बारे में आप बताइए कि आप भारत से कहाँ से हैं और कनाडा कब आए?
वो हमसे पूछते हैं कि हम क्या हैं, हम कोई हमें बताए, उन्हें बताएं क्या।
बात
मैं इलाहाबाद से हूँ
जी।
इलाहाबाद तो एजुकेशनल प्लेस रही है मेरी,
राइट।
एंड आई कम फॉर अ वेरी हाई लेवल फैमिली। We have a road in our grandfather name.
जी।
We have a temple, our own temple is still there.
अच्छा जी।
But my father studied abroad, I mean outside. He did MSc that time, like
जी।
Navy service. So I know I was born in Allahabad, but I only came after my graduation of medicine. Earlier I was in Lucknow. My education was done in mostly Lucknow. I did my medicine from King's Governmental College, Lucknow.
अच्छा जी।
I was 66 batch.
जी।
So quite old now. 50 years already gone of my
जी।
graduation. We are having this meeting coming in November in
जी।
Lucknow. So and.
तो कनाडा कैसे आना बनना हुआ?
Actually, Canada, I was not interested to leave my country
जी।
because I was doing very good in India. I was patient coming all over, and I used to travel about 6 months out of country, Europe, America, all over.
जी।
So best of East, best of West, I was having there. But still having same thing. I still go out in winter. I don't stay here in winters.
Right।
And actually, I was invited to chair a conference in Victoria in 1995.
अच्छा जी।
And then one of my students, she asked me, Dr. Singh, you should go attend this. So I said, well, I can go, but I should have a proper invitation, a protocol, because
जी, जी।
I'm knighted also from Australia. He said, Dr. Singh, we don't do protocol in America, not in England,
Right।
But anyway, they did it later on. I went there, and the people were interested in me. So some TV people came forward, some other society came forward to help me, and they said, Dr. Singh, don't do anything. Just please come over. We want you. We need you here. So that time, India, every reservation class going on, so we come from a different family and high class family. So my children were getting frustrated because everything reserved for everybody,
Right।
So my son who couldn't get admission in medical college, so my wife said, why don't you try here, maybe get better education. I said, okay, I'll come for children here. I was doing all right. I used to go every 6 months from here out to Allahabad back. But the whole purpose of coming over here was defeated because nobody became a doctor in my family. Nobody became. Anyway, they were doing very good. My son is Scotia Bank, other in television, other UBC head.
जी।
So they are doing pretty good now. But the purpose of coming over here for better education with children,
जी।
well, they had good education, but nobody became doctor.
राइट।
Yeah.
सो 95 में आप फिर यहाँ पे
95 I came. Yeah.
ओके। अच्छा, एक्यूपंक्चर की जब बात करते हैं, आप 66 की बात कर रहे हैं, आपने ग्रेजुएट हुए, तो उस समय एक्यूपंक्चर का क्या कुछ था भारत में, नाम था?
66 I joined college.
Okay.
College. I
Right।
graduated in 70, 71.
ठीक है जी।
In 1968, I still remember, it is destiny actually, coming over here and going to acupuncture. People used to laugh, but Dr. C, you are a doctor, why the hell you going acupuncture? Nobody
Right।
knows this.
So आप मेडिकल डॉक्टर हैं?
I'm medical doctor, yeah.
Right।
So everybody laughing, but the one who laughs last laughs best. So actually, I read an article in the Reader's Digest in 1968. I was still a student
अच्छा
that
जी।
time. That time, you remember, Dalai Lama was trying to settle down in India, all this thing, and there are a lot of lamas were wandering here for looking place. I met a gentleman, and I asked. There was no college, proper courses that time.
जी।
In fact, first time in Beijing, I was invited to chair a conference. I proposed to the president of the association who invited me. I said, why don't you have a 5-year program? That time, WHO team used to go only for 6 months scholarship.
अच्छा जी।
I said, 6 months nothing. You should have filled courses. So I just mentioned. It came in newspaper, Chinese newspaper, but then again went off. So when I came here, so I thought, why not? That time acupuncture was not recognized here. So I thought, why not try this, you know? So I said, same my dream, medical 5 years course as medical doctors, and all training of before acupuncture, anatomy, physiology, pathology, biochemistry, and the doctor become good. So be really well phased, you know, so I can deal with everything.
जी.
And safety of the people also, that's very important. So when I came here, so I was I asked Langara College to start this program,
जी.
and some of the before also a couple of people tried, but they did not have a proper curriculum, everything. So I was probably by 65 pages curriculum. They made me, okay, this is good one. So they approached, I liked it, and they said, okay, Dr. Singh will start it. So we had 3 programs, 3 years acupuncture, 4 years herbologist, and 5-year doctorate.
ठीक है.
So people came and started learning. About 3 years, I felt that I'm not doing to justice. I'm just making money, sitting on table, checking the question answer papers, giving marks. I'm not doing any constructive work. Any no creativity is there. I'm a creator. I mean, I write books, you know,
Right.
and I travel abroad. I meet people. So after 3 years, I gave up,
जी.
and then I started writing books and traveling too much.
ठीक.
So the other thing, I was a bylaw committee, approval committee, it was one Langara College. So that time students used to come after high school, they can join acupuncture.
Okay.
I said, no, high school is no ease, you know, it's kids, you know. So I said it should be intermediate, 2 years after us.
Okay.
And that nobody wanted, but everybody losing business. So I said, no, it should be there. I want safety of my people wherever I stay there. So now it is after intermediate, you can prerequisites.
तो आपने यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया, पर भारत में भी क्या आप एक्यूपंक्चर ही करते थे या आप मेडिकल डॉक्टर थे?
I was doing medical, I was a surgeon also doing some surgery and some medicine. But after coming in acupuncture, that time acupuncture nobody heard actually.
Yeah.
Nobody knew this. And when I used to travel abroad, especially Europe, people used to look at me as if I've come from moon. This brown guy promoting yellow skin stuff among white skin people, what the hell is doing?
Right.
But you know, gradually people start accepting it.
ठीक.
Because seeing is believing. So I started doing it. Then another thing actually I tell you, Bhupendra technique, people ask me, what is Bhupendra techniques? You know what happened when I started acupuncture, my strong-headed Western medical trained brain, they were not accepting it. So I said, no, this works. Something is there.
जी.
Maybe I'm not able to understand. So I must promote my knowledge, you know.
जी.
I started studying my nervous system more detailed, and I studied Ayurveda, yoga system, or chakras, nadi system.
ठीक.
And then I tried to correlate.
So basically सारे holistic systems को आपने इकट्ठा करके अपना भुवेंद्र टेक्निक्स जो
Actually होता क्या ना, वो कहते हैं कि necessity is the mother of invention.
जी बिल्कुल.
Exactly the same happened to me.
Right.
I tried to convince myself.
Right.
I started doing more research.
Right.
And in this process, Bhupendra techniques developed.
बहुत खूब. लेते हैं एक छोटी सी ब्रेक, वापस आके आपसे और जानकारी लेते हैं और आपका ये जीवन का जो सफ़र है उसके बारे में और जान पहचान लेते हैं जी.
They have always been there for me. From getting my dream car to celebrating life's special moments. Always bringing us joy. And now my loved ones can make them a part of their life story. Family is what you make, and they are a part of mine. The Sun Motors.
Once again, welcome back to the program. ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਾਈਲ ਸੈਗਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਬੀਕੇ ਸਿੰਘ ਨਾਲ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮਵਰ ਅਥਾਰਟੀ ਹਨ एक्यूपेंचर ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ. आओ और जानकारी ले लें. सो ब्रेक से पहले जैसे आपने कहा कि आपने सारे सिस्टम्स को पढ़ा, इनकॉर्पोरेट किया और उससे आपने भुवेंद्र टेक्निक्स जो हैं उसको इनकॉर्पोरेट किया. अब ये भुवेंद्र टेक्निक्स जो हैं या एक्यूपेंचर आपका जो फोटे है, इससे क्या क्या आपने दुनिया भर में आप गए, आपने बहुत सारे टॉप नामवर लोगों की भी उनकी ट्रीटमेंट उनको दी. तो हमें ये बताइए कि आपका ये जो सफ़र है इसके अंदर क्या है, क्या ये भुवेंद्र टेक्निक से आप कैसी कैसी बीमारी को ठीक कर सकते हैं?
Basically, acupuncture se we can treat large number of diseases. Most of people in the world are doing acupuncture in combination with herbal, homeopathy, Ayurveda, or or Western medicine.
जी.
I don't do anything. I'm the only person who does exclusively acupuncture.
Okay.
Absolutely. I don't. In fact, I withdraw all the medication everybody's taking gradually. So what happened, the diseases like arthritis, backache, migraine, lot of diseases, asthma, or can be treated.
जी.
But I have my own specialty, which I treat all over world. Above on this, I mean, this is already I do treat all this. इलाज करता हूँ इनका मैं. ये है डिजीज जैसे है आपकी हमारे यहाँ बहुत पेशेंट अरब से मेरे पास आते हैं ED erectile dysfunction because अरब में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है ये. So I treat that. Lot of people come to me from glamour world. I don't want to name anybody, film stars. They for the cosmetic acupuncture.
ठीक है.
For wrinkle of the face or abdominal stretch mark after the birth, obesity.
जी.
And also breast development because people like to do surgery, So I have done even hypertrophied breast, a large breast, or not equal breast. I mean, lot of problems are there. So we treat by acupuncture only.
Okay.
And then the diseases like retinitis pigmentosa. Actually, I came this country. One patient went to India for my treatment. He's a Canadian, a lawyer actually. And he got treated by me, retinitis pigmentosa. There's no treatment for that. I started. Actually, he heard one of my television interview from New York, which was telecasted in Toronto.
जी.
So somebody told us, why don't you watch this interview of Dr. Singh? So he came all the way. He got vision back,
विजन की अच्छा. So acupuncture इतना effective है.
हाँ, so retinitis pigmentosa, optic atrophy, glaucoma, and then deafness. Not the when you have rupture the drum because it's a surgical problem. When nerve deafness is there,
Right.
then I can treat.
So डॉक्टर साहब होता क्या है कि आप सिर्फ पिन से पॉइंट करके क्या कुछ नर्व्स को स्टिमुलेट कर देते हैं और उससे ये हो जाता है और कितनी बारी ट्रीटमेंट्स चाहिए?
डिपेंड करता है पेशेंट
क्या
कितना प्रॉब्लम
right.
है. बहुत से डिजीजेज लाइक स्टेरॉइड कॉर्टिजोन दे इंटरफियर माय ट्रीटमेंट. सो पर्सन टेकन स्टेरॉइड देन आई विल से इट मे टेक बट दिस नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल. मेडिसिन इज नॉट इन 2 and 2 4 maybe 4 5.
ठीक.
So and then respond. हर आदमी रेस्पॉन्स अलग होता है. जो आपको हेडेक हुआ आप 2 खाया ठीक हो गए, हम 4 खा रहे हैं स्प्रे नहीं ठीक हो रहे हैं,
ठीक
है ना. तो एवरीबॉडी रिस्पॉन्ड डिफरेंटली टू बॉडी. तो अभी पेशेंट एक मेरे पास आई थी टोटल damage number 3, number 4, number 5 total damage, and she was advised surgery.
जी.
But she's young lady, not very elderly. I think about 1 week before.
जी.
I treated 10 days. She is fit now, but she's fit by symptoms, out of symptoms.
Right.
But probably to heal everything together, it will probably take another 15-20
So आपका
days.
ये कहना है कि एक्यूपंक्चर से हर किस्म की बीमारी जो उसका इलाज हो सकता है?
Almost everything, but where there is clear indication of surgery, I will recommend for surgeon. I will not touch it.
Of course, जहाँ पे सर्जरी का है वो तो अलग बात है.
That is advantage to me. I know
Right.
where to put in my hands.
डॉक्टर साहब आपने बहुत सारी किताबें भी लिखी हैं और किताबों में आपने हेल्थ के बारे में एक्यूपंक्चर के बारे में बात जो लिखी है, तो आप ये जो सब कुछ करते हैं आपकी इंस्पिरेशन क्या है?
Inspiration क्या है? I don't know actually. I keep doing things. I always say don't dream.
जी.
Just do what you want to do. Supposing some idea comes to my mind today, I will not say I write tomorrow. I just sit down on the computer and start writing.
ठीक है.
So probably that is the thing I have been moving all the time. And I love my work.
Wonderful.
I love my traveling. I love my writing.
बहुत सारे आपको दुनिया में अवार्ड्स मिले, बहुत सारा आपका रिकग्निशन हुआ, फेम मिला, लेकिन अगर आप हमारे दर्शकों के साथ शेयर करना चाहें कोई ऐसा मोमेंट या पल जिसके ऊपर आप मान महसूस करते हैं कि भाई एज डॉक्टर BK सिंह आपने कंट्रीब्यूट किया वापस?
एक बहुत टचिंग एरिया था जब मैं क्योतो में गया था. मुझे इनवाइट किया था 1984 प्रॉब्ली. मेरी थ्योरी ये थी एक्यूपंक्चर स्टार्ट इन इंडिया नॉट इन चाइना.
जी.
Very controversial. Everybody was, people, Dr. Singh talking. So when I gave a lecture in Copenhagen. So one came, Dr. Singh, I think you're right. So I got the encouragement,
Right.
Then I presented a paper in China. People, it was not taken a good taste. Then same paper I presented, full-fledged paper in Kyoto, Japan. In ICOM, International Conference of Oriental Medicines in Kyoto. And I didn't know how well it will be received by people. Only when I was awarded the Best Paper Award. And I was asked to come and stage and say something.
Right.
I lost my speech. I couldn't say anything because I was shocked to me.
Right.
And that theory which was rejected by the people, many people refunded got it back. वापस कर दिया मेरा पेपर नहीं डॉक्टर सिंह ये ठीक नहीं लगता ये है वो है.
Right.
लेकिन that was a very touchy moment.
Wonderful. Success is what according to you?
Success, actually, I think it is how you feel. If you feel good after something, that is success. I mean, you can be good in your job, that is success. Your main thing is satisfaction. It's not a laurel you get or you get awards. This is temporary things.
Right.
Main thing, how you feel inside.
Ji.
If you feel good, but when when a smile comes from a patient, thank you, Dr. Singh.
Right. और टुवर्ड्स द एंड देखिए हर एक फील्ड में जैसे आपने कहा कि सक्सेस वो ये जो आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन दे. आज की नई जनरेशन जो है आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है 71 ईयर्स का उसमें से आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे सक्सेस के लिए जिस भी फील्ड में कोई जाना चाहे तो उसको क्या करने की ज़रूरत है?
Listen to your heart. Because as a medical doctor, when I went to acupuncture, everybody laughed.
जी.
But something was telling me, go inside. I didn't know this thing.
Right.
So it was not to make money because
Ji.
I could have made money as I would
Much
have
more
as a
over there,
medical.
right.
But I wanted to do something and my heart was saying, go for this. So I said, go, what do you feel like? I mean, if I write, I'm not writing for selling books,
Right.
I mean, I love writing. I want to express out.
ठीक.
So it is how you feel yourself.
Right. So just do what your heart says. To you.
Yeah, so for example, my student said, Dr. Singh, you must write autobiography. I said, no. Because autobiography, nobody can ever do justice.
Right.
They always hide something. Something actually. Right. If you want to write, you can write, not me. I will not.
It was a pleasure talking to you. Thank you and best wishes.